Digital marketing, online marketing, internet advertising, whatever you call it, marketing your company online is a big deal these days. After all, internet usage has more than doubled over the past decade, and this shift has massively affected how people purchase products and interact with businesses. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is like any other type of marketing. It's a way to connect with and influence your potential customers. The real difference is, you connect with and influence those customers online. Basically, digital marketing refers to any online marketing efforts or assets. Email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, and even blogging are all great examples of digital marketing. They help introduce people to your company and convince them to buy. Here are some of the most common digital marketing assets and strategies businesses use to reach people online. Digital marketing assets. Almost anything can be a digital marketing asset. It simply needs to be a marketing tool you use online. That being said, many people don't realize how many digital marketing assets they have at their disposal. Here are just a few examples. Your website. Branded assets, logos, icons, acronyms, etc. Video content, video ads, product demos, etc. Images, infographics, product shots, company photos, etc. Written content, blog posts, ebooks, product descriptions, testimonials, etc. Online products or tools, SaaS, calculators, interactive content, etc. Reviews. Social media pages. As you can probably imagine, this list just scratches the surface. Most digital marketing assets will fall into one of these categories, but clever marketers are constantly coming up with new ways to reach customers online, so the list keeps growing. Digital marketing strategies. The list of digital marketing strategies is also constantly evolving, but here are some of the strategies most businesses are using. Pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising is actually a broad term that covers any type of digital marketing where you pay for every user who clicks on an ad. For example, Google AdWords is a form of PPC advertising called paid search advertising, which we'll go over in a second. Paid search advertising. Google, Bing and Yahoo all allow you to run text ads on their search engine results pages, SERPs. Paid search advertising is one of the best ways to target potential customers who are actively searching for a product or service like yours. Search engine optimization, SEO. If you don't want to pay to show up in the SERPs, you can also use search engine optimization, SEO, to try and rank pages or blog posts on your site organically. You don't have to pay directly for every click, but getting a page to rank usually takes quite a bit of time and effort. Paid social media advertising. Most social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest and Snapchat will allow you to run ads on their site. Paid social media advertising is great for building awareness with audiences that might not be aware that your business, product or service exists. Social media marketing. Like SEO, social media marketing is the free, organic way to use social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter to market your business. And, just like SEO, organically marketing your business on social media takes a lot more time and effort, but in the long run, it can deliver much cheaper results. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. Conversion rate optimization, CRO, is the art and science of improving your online user experience. Most of the time, businesses use CRO to get more conversions, leads, chats, calls, sales, etc., out of their existing website traffic. Content marketing is another fairly broad digital marketing term. Content marketing covers any digital marketing effort that uses content assets, blog posts, infographics, ebooks, videos, etc., to build brand awareness or drive clicks, leads or sales. Native advertising. Ever get to the bottom of an article and see a list of suggested articles? That's native advertising. Most native advertising falls under content marketing because it uses content to attract clicks. You'll never believe what happens next. Often, native advertising can be a bit hard to spot, since it is usually mixed in with non-paid content recommendations. Email marketing is the oldest form of online marketing and it's still going strong. Most digital marketers use email marketing to advertise special deals, highlight content, often as part of content marketing, or promote an event. Affiliate marketing is essentially paying someone else, a person or a business, to promote your products and services on their website. As you can see from the list above, there are a lot of different ways to market your business online, which is why many businesses either hire an agency to manage their digital marketing efforts or pay for an in-house marketing team and marketing automation. Does digital marketing work? Digital marketing is a great option for any business. At Disruptive, we've used digital marketing to help all kinds of businesses grow, from mom-and-pop shops to internationally recognized universities and beyond. That's the beauty of advertising online. If you know who you want to target, you can use digital marketing to target anyone, anywhere. However, that being said, certain types of businesses will benefit more from certain types of digital advertising. As a quick overview, let's take a look at which strategies tend to work best for business to consumer, B2C, companies and business to business, B2B, companies. Generally speaking, B2C companies have much lower price points than their B2B counterparts. After all, it can be a little hard to sell a $150,000 drill bit, believe me, they exist, to a harried mom. But a $10 pair of kids' pants? That's a fairly straightforward sell. The good news is, because B2C companies aren't trying to sell incredibly expensive products or services, they don't need big sales teams or complicated marketing funnels. All they have to do is get their products or services in front of the right audience with the right messaging, and the rest should take care of itself. Now, supplementing with other digital marketing strategies like paid search or SEO is always a good idea, but if you have to pick one channel to start with, paid social advertising or social media marketing are great options for B2C. B2B companies, in contrast, paid search is a great option for B2B companies. Most B2B companies have very specific niche audiences that can be hard to target using social media. However, if you sell $150,000 drill bits and someone searches for diamond-tipped oil drilling bit manufacturer, you want to be the first result they see. Of course, the right blend of digital marketing tactics will vary from industry to industry and business to business, but simply comparing B2C to B2B should help give you a sense for how different strategies can be better for certain businesses. Not every strategy is right for every business, but with a little trial and error, you should be able to identify the most profitable approach for your company. How to get started? The good news is, getting started with digital marketing is fairly easy. Most online advertising platforms make it easy to sign up and create your first campaign. It is how they make money, after all. Here are a few links to beginner guides for several different digital marketing strategies. The core of every successful digital marketing campaign, however, isn't a guide. Regardless of which strategies you choose to use, here are 4 questions you need to answer before you get started with digital marketing. Number 1. How much do you need to make? To figure out what you need to spend on digital marketing, you first need to clarify what your goals are. How you approach digital marketing can vary quite a bit depending on whether your ultimate goal is to drive clicks, conversions or leads, sales, revenue or a certain return on investment. Number 2. Who are you marketing to? Once you know how much money you want to make from digital marketing, you need to identify who you are marketing to. This is critical, because different buyer personas require different marketing tactics. And, even more importantly, different buyer personas turn into different types of buyers. Number 3. What are your customers worth? Typically, people look at buyer personas as a good way to craft an effective marketing strategy. Buyer personas are great for this, but they are also an important part of putting together an effective digital marketing plan. Number 4. How much do you need to spend to reach your goals? At this point, things are pretty simple. Just take your CAC, average purchase order value and average number of purchases. If you have a subscription model, you can just use the average lifespan of each buyer persona here, and plug them into this calculator. Now, as you might imagine, this approach isn't a perfect estimate of what it will take to hit your revenue goals. This calculator is only as accurate as the information you can give it. But, it's a lot better than picking your monthly at random and hoping that digital marketing will produce the results you need. How is digital marketing different on mobile? As you can probably imagine, digital marketing on mobile is very different from digital marketing on desktop. These days, these differences are particularly important because smartphones are now the primary device people use to interact with the internet. Last year, Google Ads got rid of the sidebar ads on their results pages to create a consistent experience between mobile and desktop. Facebook Ads still shows sidebar ads on desktop, but only shows in-stream ads on mobile. Shorter blog posts outperform longer blog posts on mobile, and the list of differences goes on and on. To be honest, in today's digital marketing world, it's a good idea to assume that people will encounter your marketing on mobile and then adapt your strategy for desktop as needed. Digital marketing is the marketing of the future. In addition to all of the benefits we've discussed throughout this video, you can track the results of your digital marketing efforts with incredible accuracy, which means it is easy to see which strategies are producing profitable results and which ones need some work. That's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content related to digital marketing, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.